Hello everybody, and welcome back to some Enigmatica 2 Expert Mode. How you guys doing today? I hope you are doing well. I am. So, last episode, we got started with... There's a lot of stuff I've got to show you. We got started with IC2. We're going to be working with a little bit of that today. So, since last episode, there's a lot of work been done around here. First off, we got an enchanting table. We've got grid power. Well, we need a shared grid power. Got to get that taken care of. We've got a kitchen set up. I don't know if the kitchen was in the last episode or not. Somebody's been to the deep dark. I think David's been messing with extra utilities 2 stuff. And Scarlet has been messing with dragons. Dragon stuff. I have a dragon. I have not hatched him yet. Something that we've got to do. But outside, we've got... I think that was here last... No, it's not. We've got the crude blast furnace. Somebody went to the nether. Got stuff to make it. Made it. I'm not sure who done it. I wasn't here when it happened. I took a couple days off the last few days. So there's a lot of stuff done. There's a bunch of machines made. Got started with some actually dishing stuff. Got that. We got a precision sawmill. I got that from a quest. I think I did that with you all. I'm not sure or not. My pants should be done. We've got a charging station from Immersive Engineering to charge stuff up. This is making sand and gravel. We've got started with some sieving. That is back here. So that's going. What else we got going on here? I know I got a bunch of quests I need to complete. Mob farm going. I think David just finished making this, which is where I've got this flux infused armor out of it. I'm going to be doing that soon. There's all kinds of goodies in here. So yeah, lots of stuff there. Got latex started. Going to be working on, that's part of what we're going to be working on today, is getting some industrial foregoing stuff going. That is basically our tier 2 tech mod kind of thingy. Ready to get some of these farms automated, get some mob farm stuff going, and get some other nice stuff going. And one of the things we got to work on pretty quick is power. Power is an issue. We are more or less generating what we are using. Yeah. So that is a thing. Those aren't actually. That's not storing. That's not being used. Well, I need to fix this. Basically, we're running off of these windmills and partially this. So we've got a excess of power. I just need to hook this up to where it's a little bit better. So, yes, today, what are we going to do? Well, first thing we need to do is we got some quest stuff we need to take care of. We've got a gate for extra utilities done. I'm not sure which one of these I want to get. Probably, since we've already got water mills going, let's go with some dark effable glass. So that should open up a bunch of other quests. So, well, we got to get to that point. We got this basic tier somebody got from a reward. Crusher I made. We've got biofuel going. We're going to be getting into that here pretty soon. Extra utilities, we need to just do this quest, and then this should unlock a bunch of other quests. Yeah, good Lord. Yeah, somebody's been busy. So yeah, we've got a bunch of quests here to do. I've got to get rid of some stuff in my inventory. So what I'm going to do is sleep, claim these rewards, see if we get anything good, and then I will be right back. Actually, before I do that, we got dragon armor that was made for us. We got an ender from roaming around collecting chests and stuff like that. That one's actually not too bad. Actually, I don't know why I put that in there. I meant to put that in there. I made a magnet from actually additions. It's one of the reasons why we got started with some of the actually addition stuff, because I wanted to get that. We needed a magnet. That was probably the best one that we could get quick. Alright, so we're back. We got some sturdy casings, which aren't too bad. We got a ton of food. Matter of fact, I think that is what... That doesn't have protein. I think that's what we are... No, we're low on fruit. That's got fruit. But we got some good food. Most of this other stuff, we did get this. This right here is awesome. I want that. We got some miscellaneous chests up here for some of this stuff. So there's that. Ironwood tables, I don't know nothing about. This block crafter is nice. Allows us to make a ton of different kind of blocks. So everything else can more or less go in our food bin here because we don't need it. How are we doing on... Oh man, there's all kinds of stuff in here. Somebody has been mining, which is great because that means I don't have to. I say that like I don't. Alright, let's go out here. We're going to hook this thing up. Both of those went in there. Put that in there. This smart output. This thing is awesome. We'll work on some upgrades to make this a bit better. Because right now it'll only do one at a time. But we can do some more. Alright, so let's get in today's business. Now, oh wait, we still got one more loot chest. Donuts. So, today's bit of business, what we're going to do. We are going to start looking at getting into industrial foregoing. Industrial foregoing, we need these machine cases in order to do it. These things are not easy to make. Once we get one set made, we can do this. We're going to need advanced machine casings. This is where all the fun comes in. We need dense iron plates. Takes 9 of those. That's 8. So we're going to need to get a bunch of iron going. Stack of iron. Let's take that out and put it in there. Let's put this in here, and this should work like a dream. Now I do know we need to get something better to do this with. Let's see if this is going to work though. Alright, it worked just fine. So one of the other things that I'm thinking of doing right quick. Actually, no, we're not going to do that right quick. We need aluminum. Let's see if we've got any aluminum up here. Aluminum. We've got 8. And that, we need to set up a press from Immersive Engineering. So we're going to let that go for just a second. So that'll get these taken care of. Once that's done, we'll throw these in there and that'll be done. We're going to need some steel plates, which we don't have either. That's something that I need to make. That's not what I wanted. We are going to need carbon plates, and we're going to need dense alloy plates. We need a bunch of plates. So I'm thinking maybe it is time to do this. Let's take a look. let's get our books. We need engineer's manual. And let's look at some heavy machines. We want to look at the metal press. So we need a redstone block, heavy engineering, conveyor belts, pistons, steel scaffolding. That really shouldn't be that hard. We should already have some of this stuff already. Heavy engineering block. Let's look at redstone engineering block. We need Constantine and copper plates. That's not too bad. That's not bad. Conveyor belts is rubber. That's not bad. We can do that. And the last thing we need is steel scaffolding. Which is some steel ingots and some steel rods. Small plate presser. What's... Okay. Well, we're going to need a couple of pistons. So tell you what. Let me get this stuff together. We're not recording. Let me get this stuff together. We should have most everything already. Let's look at pistons right quick. That's all stuff that we can do. Iron plate, yeah. Alright, so let me get all this stuff together. I'll be back. Alright, so we are back. I have everything I need, I do believe, to do this. We're going to set this up right here for the moment. We got to get everything situated as far as where we're going to be placing stuff. Getting a house set up, all that stuff. So there's all of that. We need our heavy machine block. I don't remember if it's there. Let's look at our book. It is there. And then we need our piston. We need our hammer, which is in here. There we go. And we've got our press. Now, the problem is we can't do anything with said press until we make the presses. So that is next on our list to do, hopefully. I put some flux ducts in here somewhere. Right there. That is going to be an issue. Because I need to put a hopper here so we can automate this thing. Alright, so first things first. We need our engineer's workbench. That recipe is not changed. So we should be able to do that rather easily. We got some fence. We got, that's not treated wood. And we got a crafting table. Man, we got everything we need. Engineer's workbench is a got. Alright, so while I paused for just a second, we actually got the quest for blueprints, which means there is a blueprint here somewhere. Now it's a matter of finding it. Because who knows where it's at. Well, I found it. Unfortunately, it is not any of them that we need. This is for projectiles. This is for the graphite electrodes, and so is that one. So we are going to have to print or to make this. So we need metal press molds. which is this one, which takes a steel plate. We should have everything we need. We just need to make that still in there. Let's get this thing a-going. I hope there's still some lapis in here. Oh, Lord, yeah. And 3 pieces of paper. Now, my next question is do we have any hoppers laying around anywhere? Doesn't look to be that way. Is there any chest in here? There is. We can get that. We can get some of these. We can make us a hopper. Why did I not grab one more? There, I did. I just can't see anything today. It has been, I tell you what, it's been a long weekend for me at work. I tell you what, sometimes I feel like it's time for a new job. So there is our blueprint. We've got what we need. So next up, let's put this in here. This will tell us what we need. So for this, we need wire cutters and 5 steel plates. So we've still got 5 steel ingots on us. Let's throw these in here and let them go, and we'll get to wire cutters. So, wire cutters. Piece of iron and 2 sticks. Doesn't get much easier than that. I thought this was expert mode. No, if it was expert or wasn't expert mode, we'd have all this stuff already. Every time I want to go craft something, there's a rabbit hole. Which is understandable. It's what we signed up for. Alright, so our 5 plates are ready. We should be good to go to get what we need. So now we can put those in there, that in there. We can get that. We can do wires this way. We can do gears this way. We can do presses this way. So let's do that. Let's get us 2 chests out of here. That's all we got left. And let's hook this bad boy up. And we'll be ready to go. So, that there, we don't have what we need for that. We can put this plate here, and then we can put the chest here. Let's get rid of that. That just went in here. And this for no other reason, so we can put a chest here and do that. Alright, so now to make, back to Tesla. To make these, we need steel plates. We got taken care of. We need basic machine casings. We got that taken care of. The advanced alloys, we need iron plates, which we can do. We need bronze plates and tin plates. So I need to find some bronze. Bronze we don't have. Copper plates we have. I need tin and I need bronze. We are running low on all the above. Alright, so copper. Or, no, excuse me, that was bronze. Oh, nice. This one's the one that does that. And it's pretty quick. So now we need tin. We'll just throw a bunch of tin in here and be done with it. I don't know why I grabbed the copper. So this will be enough to make us 6 of these. I just wasted a whole bunch of power. So there's that. We need this. That's 8. That will give us enough for a handful of these. We can put these down here in this and let it go in our compressor. Why the obsidian plates are in there, I do not know. What are those used for? To make dense ones. What are the dense ones used for? Reinforcement. Alright, so we are waiting on those. We also need to pulverize some coal. Because in order to make our carbon plates that we need, it's raw carbon mesh, which is raw carbon fiber, which is pulverized coal. So that's what we need to do. These are being used. So let me get these done and then I will be back. Alright, we're back. I think I have everything we need now to, just about to do this. We need some clay. And I don't see the clay. All the clay is gone. I thought we had everything. Oh, there we go. We need to put this down here in the macerator to get the last little bit that we need to make this reinforced stone. Looks like we need maybe 2 pieces. Will take care of what we need for now. Let's not run all this through there. That's probably going to be a bit much. Wait. Wrong thing. Macerator. Why did that not work? Oh, because it's got to be... Well, we were going to do that many of them anyway, so let's put those in there. Let's put these up here. Let's let that go. We need that. That gives us 4 of them. Alright, so now we should have everything we need to do this. So, first up is our basic machine casings. There's 16 of those. We're going to need that many of them eventually anyways. Next up, 4 advanced machine casings. That should unlock us a... It should have unlocked us another set of quests. We got to make the blast furnace first. That's alright. We've got it done. It'll be ready to go. So next up is we need this reinforced stone. That should be enough. We need some space in our inventory. Let's put that up. Let's put that up. Had a coffin fit. Alright, so last but not least, we need our plastic. And what did I do with the plastic? I thought I grabbed all of it. Maybe I didn't. Alright. So finally, we got 4 machine cases. That unlocks industrial foregoing, which will allow us to get into some more stuff. So first up, we need to do this. Claim this. This will give us the manual. We don't necessarily need the manual. There's that. We'll take care of that. We need the latex processing unit. We've got way too much. What did I just get? Infinite water source. That is lovely. We're going to need that anyways. Glowing glass. It's not too bad. Alright, so let me get some inventory space. Alright, so the whole purpose of all this was to not only... What did we get over here? Latex processing unit. Did that give us that? I don't know where that just come from. But I'm not going to complain about it. Or did we get that from the gate? It did. We got a machine casing, we got the water source, and we got the processing unit. Okay. I was worried for a minute. Alright, so let's go out here. We need some power. We need to hook this thing. We've got to get this thing. We need to get some stuff set up pretty quick around here. We need to get us another drum while we're at it. Let's take a look at drums. I didn't make those, but that's a lot of work. Let's just use what we've got, and then we'll replace it. Because this thing is completely full. Let's place that there. We're going to need some kind of fluid pipes. I don't know what we've got in here. Fluid duct. That's item conduit. Do we have any servos anywhere? I made a servo, but I don't know what I've done with it. That's a filter. Alright, we can make some. Servo. We need some iron ingots. Do we have any iron? Not iron ingots, but iron nuggets. Two pieces of iron, a piece of glass, and a piece of redstone. That should be, there we go. That should take care of about everything we need here. Redstone off. That should work just nicely. We've got rubber going in here. Oh, everything's just going nice. Just nice. There we go. We got tiny dry rubber. We've got dry rubber. We've got another quest complete. Maybe. How many do we need for that? Oh, we need a piece of plastic for this. So now we've got this. We can use this for our rubber for industrial craft. Don't have to worry about that. This is a lot easier to get. This will allow us to start making some industrial craft machines. This has got a lot in it, so this will give us loads of plastic. So there we go. There's our plastic. Let's complete what quest we've got to complete here. That's all of those. We've got one for the advanced alloy. We've got our 2 for immersive engineering. Undoubtedly, you can get some nice rewards here. This is what David was working on. He made some better spikes for the mob farm there. Because we've got an ultimate furnace out of 1. I'm going to guess David did. I'm not sure. Charged service quartz. We're not going to get anything out of these. Really? I've already made one. Crafting unit's nice. Coffee, not worried about. Redstone glass. Block of ironwood isn't too awful bad. So, but that is everything we've got going on. So, I think we may do one more tech episode. We've got to get our power situation taken care of. We are, like I said, we're just barely, that's, oh, I turned that off. Our power situation is moderate at best. This is keeping up with this, but we was running this and all this stuff was running and that, and it wasn't enough to keep it running. so we may need to do a bit more. I don't know. We may just go ahead and jump into some magic, and I may worry about that because we may just make some. Like I said, I need to get that all going into there, and then see where that leaves us at. So, but for now, that's what we got. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. I thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.